To flush with the lid up or down? It's one of those weird household debates we've all had. And today, we're getting a real answer with expert advice, science, and a little bit of gross truth. So buckle up. Or should I say, lid down? Some people always close the lid, others don't bother. But does it actually matter? According to Sherry Cedar, CEO of a major cleaning company, flushing without closing the lid sends a fine mist, called an aerosol plume, into the air. This mist contains microscopic particles from inside the toilet. Yep, toilet water particles. A study from the University of Colorado used lasers to visualize the plume. It's wild. Particles shoot out at 6.6 feet per second, reaching up to 4.9 feet high in just 8 seconds. That's high enough to land on your sink, toothbrush, towels, and more. Now imagine that in a public bathroom without a lid. Yeah, here's where it gets tricky. According to Ariana Castro from P&G, closing the lid does help reduce the spread, but it doesn't eliminate it. Why? Because airflow still carries bacteria around the room, and germs can linger in toilet water for multiple flushes. So yes, lid down helps, but it's not a magical barrier. So what's the best approach? Experts recommend close the lid before you flush. Disinfect your toilet regularly, including the lid, seat, and even the toilet water if someone's been sick. Keep toothbrushes stored away or covered. And yep, always wash your hands after flushing. Every time. At the end of the day, closing the lid is a simple way to reduce the spray, but it's no substitute for good hygiene. So lid down? Yes,